Cardiocoin, guys, currently trading about 10 cents now. It's up 372%, trending on CoinMarketCap news, guys, with $124 million market cap. This cryptocurrency, you guys can get it on MEXC. And if you're looking for the website, guys, it is cardiocoin.com. Play to earn, the world's first metaverse fitness bike and treadmill that gives your body control over the game. Dive into the metaverse to join the global community, compete in a car race, jump over waves on your jet ski, ride through the beautiful nature, and more. So please, guys, check out their website if you want to learn more, learn about the workout distance, workout hours, value points, workout sessions. That's pretty cool. Please also check out the white paper. I always recommend that if you guys want to get into a cryptocurrency, read the white paper, please. And if you guys want to go to the social media, check out their Twitter, 10,200 followers, and just see what their updated news is. Now, when it comes to the price prediction, guys, the chart is a little bit young, but they have some huge gains as of recent. Let's go in the last 14 days. So, guys, when it comes to this cryptocurrency, with this hype, with this amount of energy and amount of this cryptocurrency is having, for me, I would not trade it at all with like a margin account. It would just be cash positions, just cash accounts, and there is not much when it comes to like their history. So for me, I would only go for something that's very attainable, and something I would try to lock in would be essentially something that's so volatile. What's that? Give me a second. So even in the last 90 days, I would have to go to a new high. I would have to be about 15 cents. So that's basically 50% higher. So that's what my price prediction, guys. I would do cash positions in, watch my stop loss, or not stop loss, this is how much I would risk in my trading account for this. And I would do small positions in. I would enter probably once a month on this cryptocurrency if I was going to dive into it, and exit some of it at 15 cents. And stair step my way into this cryptocurrency month over month. Basically like dollar cost averaging it, reducing my risk. But let's get to my website, guys, andremcclinton.com. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, indicators, stuff like that, the economy, or get part of my my trading mentorship, let me know. Only gonna have so many spots, I think up to 3 or 4. That's all I can really handle. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys' thoughts are about this cryptocurrency. What do you guys think about Cardiocoin? Is it a good idea? Bad idea? Just let me know. See you in the next video.